Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to go in and take a GMETRIX practice test. These practice tests will help you in getting certified in the Word, PowerPoint, Access, and Excel tests for business technology applications. When you log into GMETRIX, now yours is going to look a little bit different because I already have opened up all these tests. But you're simply going to go up to your menu over here and you're going to go to Test, New Test. I'm going to show you an example for starting Word. So you're going to go to Office 2019 and you'll click on whichever test you're working on. Now, in our course for business technology applications, we will not be working on the expert tests. We're only going to be working on Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, and Outlook when you go in and credential for those tests. Of course, in the first business technology applications class, it's only Word and PowerPoint. So to start your test, you're going to go to Word. Now there's going to be two tests. I want to point out to you guys, you're going to see Practice Exam 1 and Practice Exam 2. You're also going to see Simulation Practice Test 1 and Simulation Practice Test 2. Those are basically the same test. If you are in a classroom lab, you can use either one of those. If you are at home and you are using your own laptop, PC, or a Chromebook, the only way you can access this test is if you go to the simulation practice test. That is the web-based version. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the test and notice it says questions 35. There's two modes. There's training and there's testing mode. You're going to go through it one time in training mode and you're going to say start a new test. All right. And so I'm going to start the test and when I start my test. All right, so you'll notice it will tell you on the last page below the heading, convert the table to text, separate by tabs. So what you will do is you will go through, and of course it's taking a minute for my stuff to load, but you're going to go through and you're going to do these steps. Once you do these steps, okay, so notice it's telling me that I need to go down to the weekly rental. All right, and then it's telling me that I click on that. All right, then it is telling me that I need to convert the table to text. So I'm going to go data, convert to text, and then notice it says to separate the data by tabs. So I'm going to go do tabs. Okay. And then I will click on next. If for some reason I did not know how to do it, I wanted to click mark for review, I could click mark for review and come back to it, but I'm going to click next and you'll notice your answer is correct. If it was wrong, I would click back, go back, redo that, and then move forward once I have it correct. So training mode allows you to keep going through and doing it until you get it right. Notice it will tell you right here on the explanation page how to do that specific activity so that you can go back, do it, and then go to the next one, okay? So I'll click next. So basically, you're going to go through all 35 of those until you finish, okay? If you keep getting it wrong over and over again, come and ask me. But the key thing is you guys need to make sure that you type things exactly like it should be. These are simulations, which means they have to be exact. Otherwise, they will not work, okay? So you're basically going to go through these tests. And you will go through each of those in training and testing mode until you finish them. And once you're finished, you're going to go through each practice test. As long as your scores are high enough, we'll go in and we'll go ahead and certify you in Word.